National
There it
Weather
is.
Service for the following
There it is.
in New Jersey, eastern Monmouth, southeastern Burlington, and western Monmouth.
That's it.
What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level in
Holy
low-lying
shit.
areas near shoreline
Holy
and
shit.
tidal waterways. Where? Middlesex, western Monmouth, eastern Monmouth, Ocean, coastal Ocean, and southeastern Burlington.
What the
When?
fuck?
Until 5 p.m. Monday. Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways. Many roads become impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. A coastal flood warning means that moderate or major tidal flooding is occurring or imminent. Be prepared for rising water levels and take
Did they do all of them?
appropriate actions to protect life and property. Follow the recommendations of local
Oh,
emergency
no.
management officials. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters.
Oh, we're getting another
The
one.
water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself
We're getting
in
2
danger
more.
and
Holy
your
crap.
vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at
Triple header question mark?
water.gov/AHPS for additional water level and flood impact
Okay, make sure for your local tide gauge and what's together. So, one more. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Alright, yeah, okay.
The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Kent, Delaware. What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? Kent, inland Sussex, and Delaware beaches. When? Until 5 p.m. Monday. Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and bayside communities. And
Wait,
along
so
inland
how
tidal
much do they
waterways.
upgrade this?
Many roads become impassable. Some damage to
Is it like all
vulnerable
moderate?
structures
Hold
may
on.
begin to occur. A coastal flood warning means
Oh,
that
damn.
moderate or major tidal flooding is occurring or imminent. Be prepared for rising water
That's
levels
crazy.
and take appropriate action to protect life and property.
Okay.
Follow the recommendations of local
So this is
emergency
the
management
Kent.
officials.
That's for all of
Do not drive
Delaware.
your vehicle
It's
through
for
flood waters.
Newcastle. No.
The water may be deeper
Delaware
than you think it is.
beaches, inland
You will be putting
Sussex,
yourself in danger
and
your
Kent.
vehicle may be damaged, leading
And
to
this
costly
one is
repairs.
for.
Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction
Yeah, that
Service
same
at
thing.
water.weather.gov/AHPS
And then we had the one for Camden, Gloucester, Burlington.
Impact information for your local tide gauge.
Oh, no, wait. Oh, shit. Oh. They must have included Cumberland with the big New Jersey one. But, well, coastal flood warning yet again. For some reason. Okay. I'm gonna go back to sleep now, because, I have a soccer game later, and I don't want to feel like shit when I'm playing soccer, so. That was weird.